Good morning, Mark here, Mark's Garage. Today we're back with another video. We're looking at 2004 Kawasaki Zx-10R, affectionately dubbed Blue Max. You can watch my longer video on a full parts breakdown on this bike, how long I've had it. But today we're going to detail specifically the exhaust system on Blue Max, because it is quite the unique exhaust system on this bike. I've had this bike since 2006. It's a great bike. Been one that I'm going to hang on to forever, probably. This bike, thought I'd do a highlight on just the exhaust system and go around and do some more highlights on some of the other parts of my bike. So stay tuned for some more videos on this. Looking at this bike here, first thing you'll notice when you look at the exhaust is the beautiful flamed blue titanium MotoGP style shorty exhaust canister on this bike. So the full system, this is a full system exhaust on this bike. It's full system titanium header and a titanium mid pipe from Akrapovic. Okay, so it's an Akrapovic Evolution 2 full system. Started out as Akrapovic Evolution 2 full system, and the Evolution 2 system on these first gen Zx-10Rs was very similar to the standard Evolution system, but the Evolution 2 came with the carbon fiber exhaust hanger, and then the canister that came factory on this was oval shaped, similar to the older style Akra canisters. It was an oval, but it was a 60 millimeter core with a big exit, and it was shortened. So it was just a little bit longer than the canister that's on there now, but the original canister was a titanium oval canister. I believe you may go way far back in my videos, and I think I had a video of it when I first got just the full system on there with the standard Akra can on there, so you could hear what it sounds like. These are very rare exhaust systems. There wasn't a lot of them made. Most people ran the standard Evolution, but the Evolution 2 came with the carbon exhaust hanger, and I believe might have came with some different O2 bung configurations. If you'll notice on the mid pipe down kind of towards the linkage, there's a O2 bung. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe somebody that has the Evolution can confirm that the Evolution has that bung or doesn't have it. Great, titanium. Akra makes great stuff. It speaks for itself. It's on racing motorcycles and street motorcycles around the world. They've built a reputation for making some of the best performing exhausts. Full titanium. This isn't the stainless system. It's full titanium header and mid pipe. I've replaced the can with a K Factory can. This is straight from the Japanese market. K Factory is a boutique brand from Japan, similar to Beat Racing on my 06 Kawasaki, similar to Ladybird on my RC51s. K Factory is straight from the Japanese direct market. I don't think they have any U.S. distributors, but I was able to source this one from Simon Hard Parts Japan, Simon Percival. If you guys known about him on some other builds, my RC1s, 51 specifically, I got a lot of parts from Simon, and I believe I sourced this can from him. Still a 60 millimeter core, quite raucous. I'll crank it up for you on this video since I always get to crank it up, even though I have some sound clips on my other video. Raucous exhaust, sounds great, sounds deep, and then screams at the top end. Absolutely screams. For this bike, I'm also running a BMC race filter under the tank and a Power Commander 3, I believe it was. Power Commander 3. I'm not even sure this is the USB version of it. It might even be the older version than the USB version, but it works well. Akra has a tried and true map on there. I suppose I could probably take it and dyno tune it and get a little bit out of it, but it runs pretty great the way it is for what I want out of it. I've also removed the secondaries on this bike, added a quick turn throttle for performance, but for the most part, my bikes are complete build, not necessarily just focused on engine performance. All right, well, I'm going to give you guys a quick exhaust clip here and then end the video. Blue Max, cranking it up. Got the idle set a little bit high for the winter time. So when I crank it up in the garage and let it run, the idle's probably a couple hundred RPMs high right now. Well, there you have it. There's a detailed deep dive into the exhaust system on Blue Max. Acra Evo 2 full system with K Factory 60mm core flame titanium MotoGP can. Hope you guys have a great day. Please like, click, and subscribe. Check out my channel often for more videos. I'm going to do some more detailed deep dives into my bikes. Got some more parts coming for the Panigale V4. We're going to do some engine case protectors on that. Got some windscreens on the way for the RC51s. And just looking for more content over the spring and into the summer months. Have a great day. Talk to y'all later.